Hi, so this is the About Me project. First of all, I'm going to talk about before high school. So this is me when I was younger. So I was born on October 8th, 2003 at Longueuil. My parents actually thought I was going to be born on October 7th because I was born at midnight. This is my primary school. I went there for 6 years, so all of my primary. It's actually the school that's right beside the first pavilion of Durocher. Secondary 1 to 5. So I put the little football ball in the corner because when I was in secondary 1 to 2, I actually played a bit of football for the school, but I'm not really a team player. I don't really like team sports, so I kind of stopped and I went to do another sport that I'm going to talk about later in the video. So yeah, that's it for Du Rocher. Liked my time at this school. I think it's a really good school with um, it's like the teacher are really great and yeah, we can see that they really want us to succeed. So that's it. For the English class, the part I really liked about the English class was the trial for of Mice and Men. I think it was really original. It's kind of changed from other projects that we could have done through the year. And yeah, so I found the project really interesting and really fun to do. Now, outside of school, the sport I was talking about earlier was actually kickboxing. So, I said I wasn't a big sport player. Well, I changed football for kickboxing. That I've been doing for about 3 years. Now, of course, the COVID kind of stopped things through. I was about to start doing some competition before COVID, but we had to stop and the gym had to close because, well, pandemic. Other than that, there's a game I really like to play. It's called League of Legends. It's actually, I think, one of the most popular games in the world. And yeah, I really like to play that with my friend. Um, because like it's a team game, so we can play together, and it's really fun. Life ambitions. So I really want to go to university. Actually, I want to go in psychology or philosophy. I'm not too sure, but it's definitely two subjects that are really interesting to me. I really like them, and I'm not really a big fan of math, so these subjects don't have any. So yeah, I like those. For dreams, well, for the past year we've been kind of stuck home, so definitely traveling would be great. I want to see the world. I know it's not going to be possible for the few years to come because everyone needs to be vaccinated, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to that, and definitely Japan too. That I've always had an interest for this country. I love their culture. I love the history. It's really a country that fascinates me. So yeah, definitely Japan and many other places in the world. The end. Thank you for watching. Thank you to have listened to me, and have a great day.